MeritCircle is one of the best performing crypto gaming tokens in the last days. Now, is this the turnaround? Are we finally seeing a relief of this long-term suffering? In this video, we are going to look at tokenomics, as in who's holding the token and who might potentially sell. We're going to look at staking dynamics. We are also going to look at the team. Who's behind that project? Where is it based? What's the background of the people that are involved in MeritCircle? Because in the end, it's the people that make a successful project. And far too often, that aspect of an analysis is completely forgotten by other channels. But that's not the case for Bitcoin strategy. We are digging deeper. And that also includes the technical aspects. How much attention is there on MeritCircle? And why is the balance on Binance suddenly increasing? A lot of questions. Let's have a look at this together. Let's try to find the answers. This chart here shows a history of suffering for MeritCircle. It's the MC token denominated in Bitcoin. So not denominated in the US dollar, but in Bitcoin. The reason why we want to do this is whenever we buy into an altcoin, we want to get outperformance versus Bitcoin. So in other words, when crypto goes up, then all of the cryptocurrencies are going up, right? Bitcoin goes up, MeritCircle goes up, Ethereum goes up. What other altcoin? They're all going up at the same time. And same is true for the reverse. So what we want to is we want to generate outsized performance over just the safest of the cryptocurrencies over Bitcoin, right? We don't just want to get general crypto exposure. We want to get more profit than just by holding something that's safe. And obviously, MeritCircle is more risky than just buying Bitcoin. And so what we see in this chart is that unfortunately, since launch, MeritCircle underperformed Bitcoin. So the additional risk was not compensated for. The underperformance is almost 93%. Now that has changed somewhat since July of this year. We suddenly saw a rally of 95%. So is this the turnaround? If we buy now, is all what we're going to see
sweet gains?
Well, something that might be worth considering is how much new supply will be hitting the market due to tokenomics and due to unlocks of the team. We are currently roughly at 673 million MC tokens floating around, but that number is going to increase. Within the next 12 months, the number will increase by 45%. It goes to team and advisors, to community incentives, and also to the DAO treasury. And that's the kind of information that's often overlooked by other channels. Most crypto channels just read from the website. They show you the marketing speak. They try to sell you on something, maybe because they got incentivized, they got paid by the project to sell this investment to you. In other words, you become the exit liquidity. You become the buyer when the team is selling potentially. And it's not just the team that is selling. There's potentially
more bad news.
You know, a lot of those cryptocurrency projects, they want to play mind games with you. They want to incentivize to hold the token for as long as possible. And they give token inflation. They give new tokens to the people that hold the token for the longest. In other words, if you stake your token for longer, you get more tokens back. And you hope that in the end you will make a profit from this. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies that tried this was Hex. And in case you don't know, this is how the price developed. The insiders dump on the people that lock up their token for the long term. And so when I see charts like this, charts that show more and more bonus the longer you lock in your staked MeritCircle tokens, I personally get very, very scared. I don't like it when crypto projects copy Ponzi-nomics schemes that have already failed in similar ways in the past. And it looks like I'm not the only one that's waking up to this. What used to be a pretty high level of staking for MC came down pretty constantly in the last months. This is the amount of staked MC tokens over time. So it went from almost 50 million 1 year ago to currently a bit under 13 million. We see a very similar development for the liquidity pool tokens. Also, those are getting lower and lower over time. And we don't even have to dig deep into blockchain analytics. We don't have to go to dune.com and make some fancy queries. We can go to the official dashboard of MeritCircle, and even there we see that the staking amount is rather declining. Now, what's so alarming about a declining staking pool? The issue is, of course, additional sell pressure. Whenever people unstake, they are likely going to sell as well. So you're getting hit with a double whammy. On the one hand, you've got circulating supply increase, the founder selling. On the other hand, you've got the stakers that are also unstaking and selling now. All of this sounds incredibly bearish. It sounds like the price is likely going to go down, but it didn't go down in the last few weeks. So what happened? Is there something positive around MeritCircle? The team is quite interesting. The founders are from the Netherlands. So we've got Tommy Quite. He's been at Flow Ventures. So this is a crypto venture capital firm. He has founded a crypto related company before, and he's been an advocate for the Bitcoin Foundation since April of 2014. So really an OG in the crypto space. Another founder, also from the Netherlands, full-time at MeritCircle for the last 2 years, worked for a marketing consultancy for blockchain startups before, and held some other marketing-related positions in the past. The COO is also from the Netherlands, but note how those are all different cities, so it looks like it is in general a remote team. Also involved in crypto for quite a while. The CTO is from the US, and this year is probably the star hire. He used to work for Polygon, leading the gaming investments at Polygon Ventures. And then a lot of the remaining team is all around the world. Here, for example, the head of DevOps in the Philippines. So the project is very transparent with the team. We know who's behind this. We also know the past of the people, and they had been working in blockchain technologies for quite a while. Now, what's also positive is that the team seems to be good with the treasury. The balance of the treasury didn't really decline in this winter. They kept the value pretty constant. Having said all this, the momentum around MeritCircle is not positive. There's not a lot of trading volume on decentralized exchanges. The staking is going down, and the relative performance to Bitcoin isn't that great. It only stabilized recently, but what I'm most afraid of is the 45% increase in circulating supply. That increase means that the project has to at least grow by that rate for the MC token to stay stable in price. If it doesn't grow as quickly, then the price is likely going to go down from here. Maybe not the price in US dollars, right? When the Bitcoin price is doubling, then of course MC will go up as well. But the price measured in Bitcoin, I think, is pretty high here. And so if you appreciate an honest review like this, feel free to subscribe, because I publish videos regularly on here, not just on altcoins, but also on Bitcoin, on the crypto market in general. So looking forward to seeing you next time as well.